Hello guys. Hope you are all will be good. My today's video is really useful for those who want to get six packs at home because in this video we will explain how to get rid of belly fat. Mostly peoples are so panicked that they can't overcome their weight without heavy exercises, but in this video you can see that we can get six-pack bodies with just simple exercises. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, it is my humble request for my new viewers. Please subscribe my channel to see more video. Let us start our video. We will explain some different exercises and their benefits. So our number one is ice stepping. Ice stepping is a form of exercise that involves stepping up and down onto a stationary block. This is a high-intensity exercise that combines cardio with weight training to provide for a great workout. Ice stepping is best for your cardiovascular health. Several studies have shown that engaging in 1 hour of step aerobics is roughly equal to running 7 miles. We don't mean jogging 7 miles, we mean running 7 miles at a very fast pace. Step aerobics is a fantastic way to get both your lungs and your heart to work at an increased rate. It can also increase your bone health and ward off problems in the future. One of the biggest benefits that you can get from doing step aerobics is that it will help you lose a ton of weight. Number 2, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is a great cardio exercise. In fact, jumping jacks offer so many benefits. They will have you jumping for more. The best thing about jumping jacks is that they are a body weight exercise, meaning there's no equipment required. The benefits of jumping jacks are 1. Great cardio exercise. Makes heart and lungs stronger. 2. Builds stronger muscles. 3. Improves coordination. 4. Aids weight loss. 5. Easily modified. 6. Improved flexibility. 7. Tone the muscles. 8. Improved stamina and stability. Number 3, sit-ups. Sit-ups exercise strengthening your core muscles and building your abdominals. They don't stop there. Sit-ups are a no-cost exercise, meaning they don't cost you money, but they do cost you time and effort. Sit-ups are much like crunches, however the two exercises actually have some differences. While both sit-ups and crunches require you to start out by lying flat on your back, a sit-up requires you to lift your entire torso up into a semi-seated position. Benefits of sit-ups are 1. Strengthen core. 2. Increase flexibility and range of motion. 3. Improve posture. 4. Reduce risk of back pain or injuries. 5. Easily modified. Number 4, Russian twist. Sit-ups exercise strengthening your core muscles and building your abdominals. They don't stop there. Sit-ups are a no-cost exercise, meaning they don't cost you money, but they do cost you time and effort. Sit-ups are much like crunches, however the two exercises actually have some differences. While both sit-ups and crunches require you to start out by lying flat on your back, a sit-up requires you to lift your entire torso up into a semi-seated position. Benefits of sit-ups are 1. Strengthen core. 2. Increase flexibility and range of motion. 3. Improve posture. 4. Reduce risk of back pain or injuries. 5. Easily modified. Number 5, reverse crunches. Reverse crunches largely affect your rectus abdominis, the large muscle running from your rib cage to your pelvis that's responsible for the six-pack look. While some believe that reverse crunches only work the lower rectus abdominis, researchers at San Diego University found that any exercise that works the rectus abdominis works the entire muscle. To perform a reverse crunch, lie flat on the floor with your knees bent, feet on the floor. Press your lower back into the floor and raise your legs so that your knees are over your hips and bent at 90 degrees, with your shins parallel to the floor. Cross your ankles. Place your arms out to the side, palms down, to create a solid base. This is the starting position. Exhale as you contract your abdominal muscles to raise your hips, bringing your bent knees toward your chest. Hold for a moment. Number 6. Leg raises. Leg raises are the ultimate way to turn jelly bellies into a toned masterpiece. These exercises are so commonly performed because they work. The leg lift completely isolates the rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for adding tone to your tummy. Completing leg lifts as part of your exercise routine, while using good form and the right number of repetitions, can maximize the health and aesthetic benefits of these exercises. Leg lifts build strong abs and hip flexors. You can do the standard straight leg raise lying on a mat or flat bench, but putting the exercise on an incline recruits all new muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, pecs, lats, deltoids and triceps. Number 7. Butt bridge. The bridge exercise is truly a functional exercise that is very good for stabilizing your pelvis and butt while at the same time reducing stress to your low back and hip. It should be a part of just about everyone's core exercise routine. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, arms relaxed at your sides. Lift your glutes off the floor, pushing with your heels, so your body looks like a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes and abs, hold for 2 seconds, then take 3 seconds to slowly lower back to the floor to start. Make sure you're extending your hips, not your back, and also that you are tightening your shoulders so they come in closer to your ears, says Grant. Number 8. Cobra Stretches. Cobra Stretches is easy to learn. Lie down on your belly and place your face in such a manner that your chin touches the ground. Place your hands close to your body with your palms touching the ground. Keep your legs straight and press your palms firmly against the floor. As you inhale, straighten your arms and lift up your chest, following your upper back. Keep your hips steady and remain in this position for 15-20 seconds and then release. 1. Stretches muscles in the shoulders, chest and abdominals. 2. Decreases stiffness of the lower back. 3. Strengthens the arms and shoulders. 4. Invigorates the heart. 5. Stimulates organs in the abdomen, like the kidneys. 6. Improves circulation of blood and oxygen, especially throughout the spinal and pelvic regions. 7. Improves digestion. 8. Strengthens the spine. Number 9. Laying twists left and right are a great way to decompress and squeeze out the anxiety and frustrations of your day, just like wringing out a sponge. They also stimulate and detoxify the organs of your torso. If you've never felt worn out at the end of the workday or after a weekend of overindulgence, reclined spinal twist is a great pose to help restore balance. Reclined spinal twist offers many benefits, many of which are listed below. 1. It stretches the back muscles and glutes. 2. It massages the back and hips. 3. It helps to hydrate the spinal discs. 4. It lengthens, relaxes, and realigns the spine. 5. It massages the abdominal organs and strengthens the abdominal muscles. As a result, this pose tones the waistline and also helps to remove toxins. 6. This twist also encourages the flow of fresh blood to your digestive organs, increasing the health and function of your entire digestive system.
So guys, this was my today's video about how to get rid of belly fat and make 6 packs at home with simple exercises without equipment. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please like my video and share with friends and subscribe my channel to see more videos. If you have any question and query about this video, you can write in the comments or mail me at my email address. I must reply at the earliest. Thanks again. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.